Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install automated backups with Restic on a VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by connecting to your VPS via SSH. Log in using your username and IP address. Update your package manager to ensure you have the latest software. Install Restic by running the appropriate command for your distribution. For Debian-based systems, use apt-get install Restic. For Red Hat-based systems, use yum install Restic. Once installed, create a directory for your backups. You can do this by using the command dirp/restic backups. Next, initialize a new Restic repository. Run the command restic init repo/restic backups. The output will display a key you need to keep secure. Now, set up an environment variable for your repository path. Use the command export restic_repository =restic backups. You'll also need to set your password for the repository. Use the command export restic_password =your_password_ here. It's advisable to use a secure password generator for this step. To create your first backup, run the restic backup command. For example, to backup your home directory, use restic backup /. Monitor the backup process for any potential issues. Next, to automate the backup, you'll create a cron job. Open the cron table with cron tab E. Add a new line to specify when the backup should run. For example, to schedule it to run daily at 2 a.m., add 02****usr/bin/restic backup /restic backup.log 2-in-1. Save and exit the cron tab editor. You now have automated backups set up with Restic. To verify that your backups are working, check the log file periodically. You can list your backups using the command restic snapshots. This confirms that your scheduled backups are being created as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.